Well, good morning, my dear folks. This one is Tijabo, or experiment. It's for a good cause. So let's get it. Science and technology and innovation.
Electronically handicapped.
I am, but by all means necessary.
بوصلة الغتريان
ورينا social distance صعبة How do we get to this? That's another question. Science, technology, and innovation can probably enlighten that. But we're here, right? Well, I chose to be a traveler, and a good traveler. Has no official have, and not even willing to arrive at any point. If I'm here, I'm here for a purpose. If I'm talking to you, I'm talking to you for a purpose. And the best purpose in life is living for others, not for yourself. Even anyway, this is trial and error, crowdsourcing, crowdfunding, which is different in order to eradicate eliminate ignorance, sustainable thinking, system level thinking. You have a certain attitude. Wait. Your attitude stinks. You stink too. So, technically I'm not an asshole, but pretending right here, right now, pretending also that I have all the answers. I don't. There are books and
بوصلة الغتريان
get the job done. Something good will come out. Kaltumo is a woman. Somalia. Muqdisho ma joogtid niyo. Meel aad joogtid. Adiga dhan gone AWOL. Missing in action. MIA. All these actions. Killed. halkaas ay ku dhamaatay billahi tawfiiq waxa waa soo noqonayaan عجلات kala bina marka laakiin bioscience macnaheedu waxa waaye noloshada dhanaanba wax ka qaata social distance يا شيخ الآن خامسة فلان